Dear viewers, one of our most frequently asked questions from our valued customers is, why is this cloth error not steady when you unfold it? The reason for this could be, one of the latches on the side may not be locked properly. As you can see here, the right hand side is locked properly. However, the left hand side is not secured because the bar is unlocked. And when the cloth error is loaded with laundry, the pressure of the weight may unlock it again. A simple solution would be to try and lock the side which is not in place, and then apply some gentle pressure on the front of the bar. Causing it to bend a little, securing the hatch in place. After following this guide, your cloth error should stand in place, straight, without any wobbles, after every unfold.